2020 was the year of the pandemic. Countries closed their borders and production came to a halt in many sectors. This year, markets over the world were disrupted and economies shrunk to a great extent. This tested our financial resilience. The hardship we faced in 2020, it was an opportunity to prove how flexible we are in the face of a crisis, how much we value our qualified human resources and the trusting relationships we have built with our customers. We managed to keep the shrinkage in our machinery exports at 4%. We have proven that we are essential to many countries whose machinery imports decreased by billions of dollars during the pandemic. While European SMEs were losing power in the machinery manufacturing industry, we increased our market share in many major economies. In this challenging year, our companies worked with heart and soul, and our industry once again demonstrated its competitive power. We tried to take advantage of each and every communication opportunity. With the Turkish Machinery brand, we completed 2020 with an intense program of activities and refused to let the pandemic slow us down. We reached millions via exclusive news pieces, interviews, and press releases, and interacted with our followers via social media. We emphasized our principles and values with exclusive advertisements. We held delegation organizations and meetings with our international business partners. We began the year with face-to-face meetings, but with the limitations imposed on physical activities, soon turned to digital solutions. We achieved a first by organizing AgriVirtual, Turkey's first 3D virtual fair with domestic software. We conducted studies with Turkish Machinery Federation to encourage the development of machine manufacturing technology and value-added production. We measured the negative effects of the pandemic and announced the results of these surveys to the public. We published 9 reports in cooperation with our sectoral associations. We shared recent industry developments and plans for target markets with industry players. To accelerate the technological transformation of our industry, we introduced an online digital glossary. We renewed our association's website with a brand new interface. We continued to support technology-oriented competitions and projects at universities. We proudly sponsored competitions, teams, and events. We emphasized that machine manufacturers work for the good of the world and prepared campaigns to raise awareness about climate change. Once again, we have shown our gratitude by presenting awards to companies that have reached new achievements in exports. As part of our promotional activities, we maintained a steady pace with our overseas advertising efforts. We carried out intensive media communication work in target countries, particularly in Germany. While implementing these activities, we once again turned to our members for motivation and inspiration. We proudly carried the brand Turkish Machinery on a national and international level, and despite the pandemic, completed the year 2020 with $18.5 billion exports. We increased our share in Turkey's total exports to 11%. We proved once again that we are indispensable to the world. Turkish Machinery makes the world work.